See that nature show says she agree with it. Yeah man. Wild bird this now guys, look how far out I see with it. So far land a couple miles in there now. And we are come from that direction. Far. And this bird just fly come right here so with us. See? Yeah man, so we do it man. Regular they I see anything. When you find anything happen guys, I mean say nature work with it. Watch your peeps.
Look at that. See? Good amber job, bro.
So I go on. Every day is a fishing day, but not a catching day. But today is definitely a catching
Catching what?
Grand rising everyone, welcome again to another Kevin's adventure. Out here this morning from the blue water, you know. As usual, you don't know. See the water blue and pretty. Yeah man, we're gonna do some deep line this morning guys. But we're not going too far because we expect some rain to fall today and tomorrow. We're on Captain Errol there, you know. See him around there. My 2 hour line, so you gotta pay attention. Yeah guys, so see if we can catch some fish, you understand me? But as I said, we not stay too long out here because we have about 6 systems up on the water right now. Some storms and some that are trying to develop. As you notice, the times are really hot guys. So when you see times like this, you can expect some hurricane or storms or earthquakes. So just be on the lookout guys and prepare yourself for these things. You understand me? Yeah man, so I'm going to try to reload the trot and think. I'll go and set up the line in the meantime. Yeah man, we'll go across the ship channel and think. Yeah man, so we're jumping into the action right now guys. We're going to the location, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel guys, make sure you hit that post notification bell so you can get new updates whenever I upload new videos. Alright? And enough love and respect to all of my loyal subscribers. I haven't forgotten about you guys. So I know some enough love and respect, really appreciate it. Alright? So I jump in the action right now guys. As I say, every day is a fishing day but not a catching day. But today I'm gonna be a catching one, alright? Be optimistic guys, you have to be confident in yourself and believe in yourself. We're jumping right now. Big up. Yeah peeps, so we just throw off the first line. See that run off. They're on about 1100 and I don't know, Garmin Striker on board. Just line up the next shot for go off. You understand me? So jumping at the action now. Yeah peeps, we're running off the second one now. Just drop off the first one and like we're dropping at some fish. So I feel I'm gonna grab the line hard, you know. So I go and run it out. I'm boat there right down there, so guys, I don't know if you guys can see it. We're not that far from land, but we're the way down to the south side, coming down to a place called Wreck Reef. You understand me? You can look back around here, so it's Port Royal, so we're the outside of Wreck Reef. So we come from all the way up there, so guys, past the ship channel, coming all the way down this side to fish, on the south side. Here, so if you follow this route, you can carry all the way to Pedro. And I saw me, I look over an old harbor over there, so. Old harbor. Yeah, man. The peeps, look who come here, we a visit. Just fly, come on board. Girl, come out on the rock. Drink water, man. Drink water. See that? Yeah, peeps, this looks like a sign of good luck, you know. Wild bird, the way I feed them. I saw them fly up on regular out here now, guys. Earl is a good Samaritan. Yeah, peeps, see there? Earl and him friend.
New friend, you see that?
Earl find a friend now. So you gain them trust out here, you know what I say? Yeah, man, so you go, guys. The heart have to clean. That's why them thing I meant. That's why I always preach positiveness, guys. You have to be very optimistic. When you do them things, see that nature shows that you agree with it. Yeah, man. Wild bird, this now, guys. Look how far to see with it. So far land there. Land a couple miles in there now. And we are come from that direction. Far, far, far. And this bird just fly come right here so with us. See? Yeah, right. So what do you man? Regular out there I see anything. When you find anything happen, guys, I mean say nature, work with it. Yeah, peeps, just reach on the first line and I draw up, you know. So I'll go and find it when it reach up. Yeah, man. So I say welcome to all the new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, remember to hit that post notification bell so you can get new updates whenever I upload new videos, guys. Show some likes and anything, no? Show some appreciation for the content. And remember, here so is where you learn, you know. I'm the teacher. Welcome to my class. Alright? Yeah, man. I always aim to teach you something, guys. Yeah. But that's how you can provide for yourself and your family. Yeah, man. So, guys, line almost reached. Go on it. Feel kind of lightish. So I go on. One, two fish on it. Yeah, look at this captain. Show them how go on there. Yeah, peeps. First sketch of the morning, not bad. Goalie and a China girl. The correct name is Queen Snapper. The rest out them clean up. So one more cardinal there. So 3 fish on board, guys, for the start. Not bad. Could have been better, but guess what? Give thanks to what we get. This is a goalie. Goalie silk. So we have to bait up and set that back. Yeah, peeps. Earl drop him line. Almost reach up. One fish from it home. Shiny girl. Queen Snapper. Yeah, you see there. Just reaching shiny girl. A couple of them clean off. Queen Snapper, guys. So I bait up and go back. The peeps. And for the next one again, you know. Drop a line. So reach up still. Shiny girl. See them there? Fighter jet and I alone search for them, brother. We look for them too. See that, peeps? Show the jet so we can fight them too, you know. Yeah, man, make big talk what they.
I don't string off.
You know, string off like you still, because you don't know if I would have sent a whole for fishing down there, so not a whole for bank to play with, but we can do some damage same way, you know. Yeah, man, big up yourself, fighter jet and bridge, you know. People not take it literal, you know. I just so sure about that one another, but at the end of the day, I have bridging same way, isn't it? Just... Yeah, peeps, at this time I want to take this time out to share something with you guys, because we have couple system on the water, as I was saying earlier. So I'm going to show you what I use to check the weather, right? I use an app called windy.com, so I'm going to show you how that goes. Look at this, guys. Yeah, guys, so this is what I was telling you about windy.com. You understand? So you go on Google, you can type in windy.com, and when you go on windy.com, you click on it, and then you look for the Jamaica map. When you go in the Jamaica map now, it can show you if you look right here, so it show you the wind speed, the knots. So this is 7 knots. When you see it well blue like that, it's really calm. In the blue, it's calm. When you see the green, breeze are blow. So it'll show you. See if you look up here, so it's 13 knots. If you go back in the blue, it's 2 knots, 3 knots. So you look near Jamaica, see that it's really low. No breeze, hardly any breeze blowing. Right? So let's zoom in now. On the spot where we're going about right here. So right here we're going to fish today. So it's showing that's going to be 4 knots, and you can skip the time. So until 11 o'clock it's going to be 2 knots still. Today should be fairly calm. 5 knots is the highest so far. You understand me? But when you want to check the weather now, in terms of like the hurricane and stuff out here, you click on this button right here. When you click on that button, you see hurricane. Click on hurricane tracker. So you look down here, so you see all the hurricanes that are out here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so about 6 of them. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so 6 system out there. So we have Franklin, we have Jert, we have Aral, we have 8, we have Emily, and we have one that hasn't fully developed as yet. They're tracking it, so it's currently named 921. Right, so look, you can see them. Yeah, guys, so this is how I used to track the weather, right? But I think Franklin is supposed to hit Dominica tomorrow or today. So when you click on Franklin, see Dominica right here, so it's heading towards Dominica Republic, right? So it's hitting them today. As we speak right now, they're currently being affected by the weather, right? So this is what I use to track the weather and stuff like that. Yeah, peeps, you're all come up with feet again. And some whiteness will come up. So I'm gonna beat him up today in a piece, but I try keep the piece, you know. I beg it out. See him have any white shirt. I wave him white flag, you know. Alright, so fish there, so now guys, you know, so do them clean up. Fish there. So we're probably have to set the line a little tighter or something. Yeah, peeps, watch your peeps. Why am I do so far?
Standing lift, man.
Look going far, man. But look, guys.
Him so we have to pan the line. It's full of water. Them the babes.
Post me do deep line fishing and catch pampas fish so far, you know, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, babes. Fine, one look up. Still I learn you, there's always room for improvement, remember that, yeah? But yeah guys, I have them fish a while ago. puffer fish. Right name is puffer fish, but them poisonous. It's a delicacy in China and Japan. You know how to prepare them though. We call them chicken leg. Yeah, babes, line of come up, you know. Water go over the line. Water come up still. Come up with it, Geraldo. Big China girl, right here. Big one, the too. Free the one. Pampas fish again, puffer fish. Here moves a jumpy people. Here moves a jumpy people. Where moves a jumpy? Eh? You see the queen there? You know see the queen there? Where moves a jumpy? Give me here. Oh, give me here. Hold this. See her in the people. Big queen in the people. She arrive, you know. The little one follow. And the next little one follow. Where all moves a man? Big queen arrive, peeps. Them there, no peeps. See there? Yeah, man. Big queen snapper. Yeah, so we have beat up and go down the guys. Yeah, peeps. This me I talk about. See there, no? Only at Kevin's adventure. You see them action here, you see that? This is a queen snapper.
Shiny girl. Yeah,
man. Feel like go on 12, 13 pounds. Yeah, peeps. Captain come up again, the line. I want to pan it yet, but I go and enjoy it. So I want to pan it. Great chop. Cardinal. White off. That's it. Right side, so we use up. So white off on out them. Yeah, babes. It's kind of blue still, but it don't work, you know? It's something on the line. I don't know why yet, but nice on the line. That's how we made an account. Again in the babes. See the babes? Hold the camera good and show them say me run things.
Me run things, man.
It's an amberjack, guys.
You can't keep up with my China girl, yeah?
Where yourself?
That me I tell you.
I'll show you say I step up in our life, you know? Slowly and surely I grow there. Only on Kevin's adventure piece. See there? Yeah, nice amberjack. Don't know they up on the work same way. They're all just kill the Diego, you know. Mystic Grouper, aka Diego. Where a charmer build him away if you notice so him out him eyes. See it pinch him right on him like this.
Right now.
So we have to go do a operation on him, no? See if my teeth wait and I catch him, no? Yeah, man, see me? On him teeth them, guys. See that? Next danger place, and gill. danger place I'm gill. Same place of guys, you know, want your finger get catching this, you know. It's like Errol my finger get catching there. The look on him gill, some small thing on it.
I mean,
Come on. We do that for all him guy him gill. See him gill guys, I'll show you some small teeth on him gill. Look on him gill. Hold on. Look on him gill. Some small teeth. So when that catch you, it's thick here now. Hold your finger. So you can't put your finger in them gill. The teeth them sharp. Come on. That babe's trying to come in. Look on it big.
you like that color there?
What is?
I don't like that color.
What is? Taxman?
Yes. I like it.
Taxman guys. Green edge.
Yeah, go cut him off, you know, take him off the line. Can't really kill him. You know where it is, guys.
I'll get him off the line and bait him back and go.
I'll cut all the king one. I just, yeah. I will not damage.
Yeah, peeps. I'll come for them line. Back one, look empty, but like some Chinese girl upon it. I'll go taxman. Mocha rabbit. Lizard fish, aka mocha robin. We use him back as bait. Guys, I'm telling you, I'll be a Chinese girl like it. Look, baby, I'm tell you, I draw the line and come up and get, you know, with 4 fish on it, 2 Chinese girls, and this one the Ireland, and 2 cardinal snapper. Now like peeps, we should have a cool glass of ice water right now because the sun is hot.
Cool red stripe beer.
But I don't know if go on to the work. This is how we get paid. That not come easy. So hard work out here in the sun at work, people. So I have to tie up like my teeth. But try to protect yourself, you know. But not till like out here hot, guys. Rain fall earlier and then the sun come back out like nothing at all. But let's say I go and push through same way. Yeah, peeps, so this is the fillet from the mocha robin, aka lizard fish. We just fillet it a while ago. So earlier so I reel out the wire trap. Get it ready because we are going to fight a battle in the shallow now because when the goal like water we are going to now and in there so full of beer, tax man, you know. So go in there to collect back the tax. So I pull out the wire trap. Go in there to fight a battle. Yeah, we're going there early and then chop up a line. I'm not getting video that still because we would have working out. Come on, so I'll go back in and I'll go see what I got. Yeah, peeps, that's the curtain I come on the video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed as yet, hit that post notification bell so you can get new updates whenever I upload new videos. Alright, guys? Yeah, man, it was a good catch. Every day is a fishing day, but not a catching day. But today was definitely a catching day. You don't know me, I'm the captain there. You know?
Peace and love, kings and queens. Hope to see you soon.
Right? Yeah, man. So, yes, as the curtain will come down, as I say. So, tune in next time. I'll bring you some more interesting video. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Just show some appreciation by liking the video and, you know, posting a little comment. Yeah, so I'm show you what going on at the igloo right now. See there? Yeah, man. There's some platter in there will catch walleye, queen snapper. Bigger one man underneath it still, man. Whole ice down. Yeah, man. Almost a full igloo. Yeah, man. So that was the catch, you know. Never go on tree, but give thanks for what we get, you know. Yeah, man. So until next time, guys. Fish on. Let's